student Vinay, and if you're a busy parent looking for help or advice on how to be more organized, more relaxed, or generally just on top of things in your daily life with young kids, then you've come to the right place.
Yeah, you have. We've got 10 years of marriage behind us, 3 kids, and 3 countries. We lived in Iceland and Texas and now in Denmark. And you know how everybody says everything's bigger in Texas? Well, everything's smaller in Denmark.
Yeah, we live in a small townhouse outside of Copenhagen, Denmark. And if you have busy lives, full-time jobs, and limited space, you need to stay organized for things not to go crazy.
Exactly. We're going to show you how to not only get organized, but how to stay organized. That includes making things pretty, but also the systems and the mindsets and the routines that help you be truly happy with your family in your home.
Yeah, and family life should be a family effort. So therefore, we're also going to show you how to include the whole family in this process.
We post new stuff every Thursday, so make sure you subscribe so you never miss a beat.
And share us in the comments your successes or the things you'd like some help with, because we'd love to hear it and help.
So have a browse around, and then we'll see you Thursday.
See ya!